Oh, you got air there. You got air there too.
That's awesome. Oh wait, they're gonna turn around and come back.
Okay.
Oh, crap.
Holy
crap.
Waits out here.
Oh my gosh. Like falling down the hill. That's like if Colton came up like
Run, get out of the way there, Dylan. Don't get run over.
I can't get run over.
Oh, I thought he was over there farther. You're good. Out of the way. Come sit over here, please.
Where's Colton, man?
I don't know.
Oh man. Should I run over there? Hey, where'd he go? Should I run
Probably
over there?
stalled it out.
He stalled? I don't hear him cranking it though.
Whoa, crap.
Mom, you can't do that. Give up. Oh, here he comes. He's got it.
Here, let me film. Alright, here he comes.
It's like he practices his phone on.